Welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while since I've done a video. And yes, if you can listen to my voice, that's the reason why I have caught something and I have not been good. I've actually been out of work for almost a week. And I got to be symptom free for a week more once this is cleared up before I can even go back to work. And one of the biggest things that sucks about being stuck at home, I have all the parts for my truck for the windshield. I still got to get an installation tool, which I'm planning on getting at Harbor Freight. But I haven't been able to go nowhere because I haven't felt good enough to even get out. Today is the first time I felt like actually getting up and going somewhere. Just so happens the day I feel like getting up to go outside, it is raining. Hadn't had something really good to eat in a while, so I'm going to run to the store and get me something. Then I'm going to come back home, finish eating it, and probably rest the rest of the day, get some more. I even got something started on the C10. I hadn't even been able to get a chance to do a video on because shortly after that, I had to go to work. And we kind of worked through one of the areas, and where I work at, you get real cold, and I was extra dressed warm, but for some reason I got a little case of hypothermia. A very, very slight frostbite on the tips of my fingers and on my toes. They have since cleared up. The toes still a little bit purple, a little bit, but don't look like there's any damage. Although hustling around is definitely not made my back feel good. So even during that time I was shaking so bad I kept feeling some nerve damage going down my feet. I can't be able. So I do have numbness going down my legs. It does concern me, but right now with what's going on around the world, it's not that easy to just go to a doctor's office and be seen. Hopefully it'll clear up, especially since I'm now going to be able to get up and go about and do something. So maybe it's for me just resting. It's just that lower part, though, that seems to be a problem. The top part seems fine, which I tell you what, it didn't feel good when I was having to bring in the windshield when it came out. I was happy when it was coming in, but I was also dreading it because I did not feel like it was picking up anything. The big box that came in was actually white, but I had to put it inside the house because I know sooner or later it's going to rain. Today it definitely rained, and it's supposed to become a pretty bad storm tonight, the way they're calling on the news. So we'll have to just wait and see. But since I've been out, yeah, I've been able to accomplish absolutely nothing. But I mean, it's nothing that's got to be in a big hurry. But there's already been some changes, which I was getting to and kind of got into explaining a little bit more than what I was supposed to. One thing I got started on before I got sick, I took the front core support of the original C10 so I can see if I can get the core support for the 1500 to fit. It is actually a little bit smaller, but it looks good. The headlights in there, but of course it don't form with the fenders. So it gives me a lot of options, but the front end looks a lot better than what it did. I definitely need a grill though to really complete everything. The next up, since I put the lights and stuff on it, was to finish running the wiring that I got set there. Rather than core support, I am going to have to modify part of the core support where I can mount it. Because where it mounts on the 1500, it's further out, but there is two hose sections that's right on the right over where the main bolts for the C10 actually is. So all I gotta do is just drill that section out and bolt it up, and then I can mock it up from there. Right now I still got the radiator for the C10 in there, so got the solar support with the radiator just sitting there. But once I get all that done, I'll be able to take it out and mount the 1500 one in place. I will have to do a little bit of changing on the hood to be able to get it to fix where I can strap it down, or I can actually cut off the top section of the old radiator core support, load it to the top of the 1500, and be able to close the hood down that way using the original pins. Well, not the original ones that me and my daddy put on it when he owned it. Until I can redo the rest of the front clip. Looking at it, the way everything sits, I'm like, yeah, since it's set like that, if I was to get the rest of the 1500 clip, modify it where it would work with the C10 frame, that would actually look really, really good. So that is the thought of what I got planned. I've already got the back end of the window locked up. I don't have it mounted in place. Still need to get fiberglass and stuff. Like I said, I've done this on a Sunday, and I think I was finishing up a little bit of it on the Monday before I had to go to work. Went to work, got up the next day, and by the time I got up, it seemed like it was already time to go to work. So I didn't have a chance to do anything really to wait until I get my sleeping arrangements. Tuesday, like I said, we worked through the get off early. So instead of 8 hours, we only worked 7, which technically would be like 7, 8. To get 8 hours, we'd be working 8.5, and we worked 7 hours straight. But working pretty much 3.5 hours straight, getting so cold and shook up, which we did have time when our things went down, so we're sitting there waiting for the product to come through the line. So I didn't consider it without a break. It's just we didn't go in there and sit down and warm up. I don't know, my body just can't take the cold the way it used to, and I ain't never been one that really liked the cold in the first place. Here's what's so funny though. The other day it was 80 degrees. It's been in the high 70s. Today it's only 55 right now. Welcome to Georgia. That's all I can say. Anyway, I figured I'd do a little bit of an explanation of what's the hold up. some of the plans of what I got going on the C10. Of course, like I said, I got the windshield in, or windshield came in. I just don't have it in the truck. So something I was really hoping I'd be able to do this weekend, since I'd be off on the weekend on the work, but then I got sick, so I wasn't able to even do nothing. But since I got to wait a week, and I'm healed enough, well enough, then I'll be able to get the old windshield out and hopefully get the new one in. And I am planning on doing videos, and hopefully if the weather stays sunny, I'll be able to get my new camera out and do the video, because I still need to get it out, do some video recording with it and stuff like that. I do have a problem with my laptop, because since I'm doing all this, I'm definitely going to have to put the other wiring harness on, which would be great, because then I'll be able to hook up the HP tuners. But my laptop, which I've only had for a few months, is saying that there's no battery. So I got a problem with the battery. Sent a reply to the guy that I bought it from, told him, hey, how can I fix this? So I ended up having to take it, have a battery put in it, and this is one of those that's sealed in it, so you have to undo the screws and take the back panel and stuff. So I definitely have to take it somewhere to have it fixed. If I do, I might put a little upgraded battery into it, although I thought it's supposed to have one anyway. Anyway, I want to end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.